let's talk about topping up via CU Online. Open your CU Online account and select Transfer. Select Send to any other member and enter the last name MLajan, M-L-A-J-A-N. Account number 321027, ID 10. Enter your desired amount and leave your MLajan associated phone number within the comments. Confirm the transfer. Confirm your email address for the security code and input the code received, then click Submit. It's that simple. MLajan, a new way to pay.